and all others. Welcome to Madams. We call ourselves shameless fellows from EEV. All characters and comments in this Madams are not fictional, and any resemblance to persons living or dead is purely intentional. MGM Productions, in association with Gemini Pictures, presents Sweet Cream Sack. Understand, even I didn't understand. Sweet creams, engineering concept beyond medical imagination. Around Macha, Salman Khan, Machi, Aishwarya Rai traveling in Kalasipalya Tagirgadi Express. Suddenly, our dog gets a problem. Enondre, my hand is paining. Is it? Enondre, my head is also paining. Is it? Enondre, my neck is also paining. Is it? ಏನಪ್ಪ ನೀವು basic instinct. Arun Macha trying to impress one girl. After seeing him, I get really shot to bed and my heart is shot to ground and I suffer from DSTs with 100% debomb and it's just not I love you. Applies sweet tapak creams. Why should girls have all the fun? Why should girls have all the fun? Suddenly something all happens. Girl full impressed. Rara, camera. There is no MMS nor hidden camera. Only me and you, camera. Girls say girlfriend takka. आइए खेलते KBC. Let's play. कौन बनेगा करोड़पति? 50 लाख रुपए के लिए आपकी सवाल. What is tan into tan into tan? Tan into tan into tan. It is cosecant into cosecant into cosecant divided by secant into secant. Correct. Wow. Sir, one more chance, sir. He applies the sweet tapak creams, and suddenly, sir, I know the answer. Tan into tan is tan. Correct answer. सही जवाब. आखिरी सवाल 1 करोड़ रुपए के लिए. Why do we see lightning first and then hear the thunder? Your options are, sir, I don't want options, sir. I know the answer. It is because our eyes is at the front and ears are at the back. Creams, दिमाग की बत्ती जला दे. Our pressure group tag Macha getting ragged. Yay. Development testing. I repeat, development testing. Integration. Playing with balls. I mean tennis balls. कभी तो आई. मैडम आप कौन सी कॉलेज? ना ಲಾ 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 ಲಾ. ಹೊಸ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ತಪ್ಪಿ. ಈಗ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅರಿಶಿನ, ಕುಂಕುಮ, ಬೆಳ್ಳುಳ್ಳಿ, ಈರುಳ್ಳಿ, ಹಸಿಮೆಣಸಿನಕಾಯಿ, ಶುಂಠಿ, ಚಕ್ಕೆ, ಲವಂಗ, ಮೆಣಸು, ದ್ರಾಕ್ಷಿ, ಗೋಡಂಬಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಉಪ್ಪು ರುಚಿಗೆ ತಕ್ಕಷ್ಟು. ಸ್ವೀಟ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. Figure it out. Thank you. We are shameless fellows from EV. I'd like to introduce my team. Myself, Santosh, Harsha, Arvind, and Shiva. Thank you.